So here is the genogram that I did. Is purely a mock-up. It's a fake person, but I wanted to add some of the symbols so you can get a sense of what's going on here. Um, Again, I'm using the symbols that come from the Genogram legend. This is showing me here, right? This is not my real age, of course. This is me. It shows that I'm married and have 2 children, right? But it also shows that I have a brother, another brother, and a sister, and that my brother has a child and my sister has a child. And the symbols will let you know what this circle and the square means, or this square and this circle means. These are transgender children, right? This shows if this is me and these are my siblings, then the next generation up would be my father and my mother, right? Now it's showing that my father and mother had these kids, these 4 kids, right? But it's also showing that my father had another person, and that would be that mother, and that there was a secret relationship between them, which also could mean that maybe there was some infidelity, have a child, a daughter, and a son, and this could be a transgender child here based on this symbol. Then if we go up to my father's side of the family, we could see that he had a father and a mother, because the squares are always men, the circles are women. They have 4 children. If we look at my mother's side, you have her mother and her father and their siblings. So that's how you do a genogram. I'm looking forward to seeing yours, and I can't wait for you to share. Take care.